Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Coordinate. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to push your Git repos without having to type your email and the Git token every single time. So a better way is to create a ssh-agent in your local machine and connect that to your GitHub account, and it will be as easy as you can say that to git push. That's it. Now let's see how to do it. First, open any terminal. It can be your git bash on Windows or your WSL or any other terminal. Now first need to add your email and email ID and the username to your local machine. Git config -- global user.name and your username, and in the second time you need to mention your email ID .email. Now you need to type the following commands to create an SSH agent in your local machine. So first type ssh-agent, and in this double quotes at the end you need to specify your email address. Hit on enter and hit again enter. Now click on and now you need to give a passphrase. This is a password that you will be using to push to your Git repos every time. Now this doesn't ask you your email address or username anymore, as you've already set it up before. Now all you need to do is set a small passphrase to push to your Git repos every time. So you can even leave it empty and press enter to have no passphrase at all. You can just say git push and your origin and the command, and it will push to your repo without asking you any passwords, but it is safe to have a password. So type it again. Now you need to type the following command and ssh-add this one, and you need to type the passphrase you have set before. Now all you need to do is print this by typing the following command, this one. Now you need to copy this entirely and go to your GitHub settings, and you will be seeing here the SSH and GPG keys page. Now click on new SSH key, give it a title. I'll give it Arch Linux, and here there's the copied key, and click on add SSH key, and that's it, you're set. Now you can clone to your Git repos, push to them, and any other thing. Okay, now when you generally before this, when you click on this code option, you'll be seeing only this HTTPS, but now you will be having this SSH, because using this you will have the ownership of this Git repo in your local machine too. So just copy it, go to your terminal and git clone, and that's it. Clone yes, and that's it. You can see that you have cloned your Git repo. So it's as simple as this, and you can add even any number of SSH keys. It does not have any limit in here. Go to settings, and here it is. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and please do comment. Thank you.